This is the Surface Pro 7. The Surface Pro 7 is the hallmark of the Surface family and continues to perfect the balance of laptop performance and tablet mobility. The first thing you'll notice is that the packaging is vastly different. When you're unboxing the Surface Pro 7, you can see that they've moved from a white retail packaging to an all-in-one brown box design. The Surface Pro 7 sports the same 13-inch chassis as the Surface Pro 6. For those who use legacy peripherals, you'll be pleased to know that the USB-A is retained just at the side here, and the mini DisplayPort has been replaced with the USB-C port for better connectivity. The Surface Connect port is also retained at the side of the device and also at the bottom. So if you're coming from a Surface Pro 5 or a Surface Pro 6, you can still use the same type cover. The type cover's polyurethane coating has also improved to keep the cover cleaner longer. There is now fast charging across the entire Surface range. This means that your Surface will charge from 0 to 80% battery in under an hour. And with the 10th gen Intel Ice Lake processors, the Surface Pro 7 is now twice as fast as the Surface Pro 6. One of my personal favorite changes is that Microsoft has introduced a 16 gig SKU to their i5 lineup. This is great for someone like myself who has quite a few tabs open in Microsoft Edge. The Surface Pro 7 is the perfect balance of laptop performance and tablet mobility. For more information, please reach out to your account manager or visit us at data3.com.au.